Hello students, my name is Gopal Charan Sau, your maths teacher from St. Teresa School. Okay. Mole concept. Okay. The mole concept, one of the chapter is percentage composition. Calculate the percentage by weight of the following compound. Okay. You have to find out potassium in potassium dichromate. You have to find out potassium percentage of potassium in potassium dichromate. This one is potassium dichromate. Second question, you have to find out the percentage of phosphorus in calcium phosphate. First of all, you have to find out the molecular mass of potassium dichromate. Therefore, molecular mass of potassium dichromate. Molecular mass of potassium dichromate, K2Cr2O7. How many potassium is there? 2 potassium. That is 2 into 39. 2 into 39 plus chromium 2 into molecular mass giving 52 plus oxygen 7 atom plus 16 into 7. Okay. Now you multiply here. This will be how much? 78 plus 104 plus 16 into 7 there. 16 into 7 you multiply. It will be 112. If you add, you will get result how much? This will be 294 gram. Okay, 294 gram. This is the molecular weight, 294. Therefore, percentage of potassium how much here? 78 by 294 into 100. This will give the percentage of potassium. How much it will be? After simplification it will be 26.53%. 53%. Let me explain again. First of all, you have to find out molecular weight, molecular mass or molecular weight of potassium dichromate. 2 atom of potassium, 2 atom of chromium, 7 atom of oxygen. We know the atomic mass of potassium is 39, that is 2 into 39. Chromium atomic mass is 52, 2 into 52, 2 atoms. Oxygen 6 atoms, 7 atoms oxygen, 7 into 16, because atomic mass of oxygen is 16. After that you are getting total, that is 294. Gram, if you have to express in grams. Okay, therefore percentage of potassium will be amount of percentage. Potassium is 78 by total into 100. This will be 7800 by 294. After that you are getting 26.53%. Same process you can find percentage of chromium. Suppose if you are asking question, percentage of chromium is chromium equal to how much? 104 by total 294 into 100. Now you see the calculation, same process. Potassium percentage 26%, 26.53%. Percentage of chromium you have to calculate like this. Okay. This will be 104 into 100 divided by 294. How much you are getting? 35.37. 35.37%. Same process we can find percentage of oxygen. Oxygen is how much? 112 by total into 100. This is the way of calculating percentage of each element of a compound, given compound. The given compound, first of all you have to find out molecular mass or molecular weight of given compound. After that you have to find out individually the percentage of, suppose in this case potassium is there, chromium is there, oxygen there. Potassium percentage will be potassium how much? 78 by total into 100. Same process. Suppose you have to find out chromium percentage. Chromium amount is how much? 104 by total into 100. Oxygen percentage will be, oxygen is how much? 112 by 294 into 100. This is the way of calculating percentage of each element of a given compound. This is a compound, potassium dichromate. Potassium dichromate is K2Cr2. This is chromium, Cr2O7. Okay, first of all complete the question number first part, then we will go to the second part. Question is calculate the percentage by weight of the following. Means potassium in potassium dichromate. Only you have to find out potassium. If question will come, each element you have to find out, then potassium you have to find out, chromium you have to find out, then percentage of oxygen will be how much? Just you add both the two, then subtract from the 100. Therefore, percentage of oxygen, because three elements are there, total percentage 100, 100 minus, you have to add this one, 26.53 plus 35.37, then you have to subtract. The result will give you the percentage of oxygen. Just to see, 100 minus, both the two you have to add, 26.53 35.37. Okay, the result is 38.1. The result is 38.1. 38.1. Okay, 1 is 100. This is the percentage of oxygen. If you add all the three, you will get 100. First of all, you have to find out first element, then second element percentage. If you have to find out third element percentage of third element, just to add both the two, then subtract from 100. This is the way of calculating percentage composition of each element of a given compound. Let us go next question. Okay, I am going to do percentage of phosphorus. You have to find out the percentage of phosphorus in calcium phosphate. First of all, you have to calculate the molecular weight. How much it will be? How many number of calcium atoms? There are 3 atoms of calcium. That is 3 into calcium is how much? 40. Phosphorus, see, whole 2 giving. Phosphate, 2 number of potassium. This is phosphorus atom. Phosphorus equal to how much? 2 into phosphorus is 31. Next, oxygen will be 2 for the 8. 8 into oxygen is how much? 16. Individually calculate, this will be 120 plus 62 plus 16 into 8, 128. Okay, now you add all the three, you will get how much? 310. This is the molecular weight of calcium phosphate.